Need to join two rough-edged boards? Here's a simple method to get a perfectly clean, straight joint by cutting both at once, right down the middle, using your CNC. First, place the two boards side by side on your CNC bed. Push them together tightly so the edges touch. Then use clips or clamps to hold both boards firmly in place. The goal is to cut exactly down the line where they meet, giving each board one clean, straight edge. In VCarve Pro, set your job size to cover the entire width and length of both boards together. Set the job thickness to match your boards. Now draw a straight vertical line exactly where the two boards touch. This will be your cut line. Select the line, then go to the Toolpaths tab and choose Profile Toolpath. Choose an end mill bit like a 1/4 inch. Set the cut depth to go all the way through the board thickness. Important, set the cut to go on the line. Not inside, not outside, right on it. That way, each board gets a perfect straight edge. Preview the cut, then save your toolpath and load it to your CNC. As you see here, the bit cuts right between the two pieces. The result? A clean, perfectly straight edge on both boards, cut at the same time. Now just flip the boards in, and they fit together perfectly. No planing, no guesswork, just clean, CNC cut precision. Try this method on your next project and take the guesswork out of edge joining with your CNC.